Support vector machines. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing our next steps into our machine learning journey. So we need to look at how the classifier is designed, and we're going to be using support vector machines, and I want to show you where to find it and then which actual technique we're going to be using. And we're gonna kind of go we're gonna go slow, and we're gonna dive deep into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. So let me just show you where it is. So we have dir sk, and because we've aliased sklearn as just sk. So all right, it needs to be explicitly imported. So here we are, from sklearn import at SVM. Now let's look at SVM. I want to show you this, but all we're going to look at is SVC. This is the algorithm we're going to use. We're only going to talk about this one right now. We're going to dive a little bit deeper into it. All right, so like I said, we're going to be using the SVC. And let me just read this to you because I have not committed to memory. So this is the C support vector classification. We're going to talk more about this in the next video. But this is used for linear, and you can go up from there, but it is mainly used for linear classifications. So, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to split out our data set in next video, and you're going to see a clear boundary between the two. And it's actually three, but we're going to break it out really simple, and then we're going to add the third type of flower. But you're going to actually be able to see how the flowers separate themselves. And this is a great first step for us to learn what this algorithm is doing, how it is a class, because you need to classify it, you need to design the algorithm, form the boundary, have a good enough margin, and we'll dive more into the type of algorithm that it is using. But it is the square root distance. Don't hold me to that. But right now, all we're talking about is how to get the algorithm SVC out of the support vector machine. And all right, let's go ahead and bring this in, because we're going to be able to work with the kernel, the degree, and the gamma, and the coefficient. You can do all of that in this, and we're going to dive deeper into what all of that means. But the reason why this is so important and such a great base is this is the starting base of machine learning with linear regression. So help on sk.svm.svc. Close that out, and here we go. And my scroll wheel, is it already going out on my, oh my word, sorry about that, guys. So all right, support vector machine, there we go. This is how it begins to make approximations, and we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk a little bit about the math. We typically don't do that. My goodness, I need to get a new scroll wheel. But we're gonna dip down into a little bit more math than we are normally used to. So here are all the arguments and C support vector classifications. All right, and we're gonna talk more about sample size, sample set, supervised machine learning, overfitting. We're gonna cover all of it, but we're gonna do like we always do here. Kernel approximation, all of these things we're going to unpack. But I really just we're going to go one bite at a time, just like we always do around here. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.